What is up guys, Tani this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Steam Link audio and mic not working. So first, you need to head over to the Steam application and then at the bottom in the search here, you just need to type in the control panel. You can open this search by just pressing the Windows key and then typing the control panel. After opening the control panel, you just need to search for sound. After searching for sounds, click on this and then a pop-up will appear. From here, you need to go to this recording and after that, you need to make sure that you have selected your headset and it is enabled. And when it is enabled, you just simply close this tab and then close the control panel. And then you need to come back to Steam. After coming back to Steam on the left side, click on the Steam button and then click on settings. After clicking on settings, you just need to click on this voice. And after clicking on this voice, you just need to select your voice input device, like whatever device that you are using, you just need to select it from here. And then you can just run a microphone test by just clicking on the start microphone test to test your microphone's voice. And you can also adjust the input and output volume according to your vision requirements. And when you are done, just simply close it and then you are ready to just play with your friends and family with your mic and audio settings all done. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.